How to sign up for ADP. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this tutorial. Open up a browser that you prefer in your device. Search for ADP. You need to tap on the first option, that is Payroll, HR and Tax Services, ADP official site. So this is the ADP official website. Select on the sign in option that will be displayed at the top. It will redirect you to a new page. You need to select the option that describes you the best. Make sure to select the correct one as it depends upon your login credential. Select on Next once you have selected the option. Now you'll be redirected to your admin console. In here you need to enter a username. Then select Remember User ID only if you are using your personal device. Then just tap on Next to log in. If you have forgotten your user ID, select Forgot User ID. It will redirect you to a new web page. In this page, to recover your account, enter your first name, your last name, then select either of your Gmail or your mobile number. An OTP code will be sent to your designated email address or your mobile number. Once you are verified, you'll be able to create a new password for yourself and you'll be able to log into your ADP account. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.